Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Green Corner AU. Nice to see you again in this video. You have ever wondered why your plants just won't thrive, even when you try so hard? I've been there. In this video, I'll show you the 5 biggest apartment gardening mistakes, and how to fix them fast. Let's move on. This is the number 1 killer of indoor plants. Overwatering suffocates the roots. The fix: use pots with drainage holes and only water when the top 2 to 3 centimeters of soil is dry. Use loose soil and potting mix. City apartments often block light. Most veggies and herbs need 6+ hours of sun. The fix: place your plants near north-facing windows, or invest in an affordable grow light. This is the most important factor for plants growing. Using containers that are too small stunts your plant. Roots need room to breathe. The fix: use pots that are at least 20 centimeters deep for herbs and leafy greens. You could use foam box that can contain more soil. Stale air breeds pests and mold. Good airflow is essential. The fix: space out your plants and open windows daily. A small fan can also help. Tiny bugs can do serious damage fast. The fix: inspect your plants daily and use natural remedies like neem oil or soap spray at the first sign. You also can pick up caterpillar by hands. You can also use water hose to wipe away some tiny bugs. Fix these 5 mistakes and your plants will thank you with fresh herbs, greens, and beauty, even in the smallest apartment. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to Green Corner AU, and share this with your plant-loving friends.